So today I'm here to share with you guys the ASP MIZ microfiber unicorn beach towel. This is an oversized beach towel, and you guys, I got this because my kiddos are in camp and my daughter loves all things unicorns. She loves all things pink, and this was the perfect combination for her little towel for her to use when they go do water sports and that type of thing. Also perfect for the beach as well. It is, again, oversized. It comes in a variety of different variations. So there's rainbow, there's a pink unicorn, etc. Lots of variety in regards to this towel, but I had to get the unicorn one, and guys, it is so cute. So I'm about to show you guys some of what it looks like. So as you guys can see, this is the unicorn, the pink one that has the awesome lashes, of course, these beautiful flowers, and of course the ears, which you guys can see here. And honestly, like when I first saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, it looked like real glitter from afar, right? When you look at it. And I just love that. The details on the ears as well as the unicorn. Even the unicorn horn has that little shimmer look to it. Like it almost looks like it's actual glitter. I love the fact that there is a variety of different colors on here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can actually see some of the details on the towel. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've got stars, all kinds of multicolored stars. And just so you guys can see the underside of it, okay, there's that. And then we've got our rainbow, okay, and then we've also got our flower headpiece for the unicorn, and you guys, the ears, as I showed you guys earlier. And you guys, oh my gosh, it's just so pretty, you guys, so incredibly cute, so fun. My daughter is going to love this, and so I wanted to show it to you guys. I'm going to really quickly throw it in the wash and put it in their bag for swim tomorrow for camp, but wanted to really quickly show this to you guys, and I hope that this video helps in making your decision.